Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sandeep Jaggi. I am an assistant professor in chemistry at Department of Chemistry, Arya College, Ludhiana. Today we are going to talk about the topic of the dienes. Dienes make one of the most important class of the organic compounds. They are the compounds which consist of more than one double bond. This class of compound is represented by a general formula CnH2n minus 2. These compounds are isomeric. These compounds are isomeric with alkynes, though they differ a lot from the physical properties as well as the chemical properties of alkynes. They can be further categorized into three subcategories, and these are the cumulated dienes or allenes, the isolated dienes, and the third and of course the most important class of the organ dienes called conjugated dienes. So first we discuss what are cumulated dienes or allenes. Cumulated dienes or allenes are that category of the dienes in which the double bond is present adjacent to each other. That is, they are not separated by any single bond. They are called the cumulated dienes. This class of diene is also called allene. It is only this particular class of the dienes which is stereochemically active, or you can say that they are optically active compound due to the restricted rotation of the carbon-carbon double bonds. For example, 1,2-propadiene or allene, and the another is 1,2-butadiene or methylalene. So these are the examples of dienes, cumulated dienes. The another is the isolated dienes. When the double bonds are separated by more than two single bonds, they are called the isolated dienes. This class of the diene behaves as much as that of the alkene simply. They can be considered, they can be called as the dienes, though they are not as their properties are not similar to the other class of the dienes. So that's why they have been simply called as isolated dienes, though they can also be addressed to be as the alkene simply. For example, 1,4-pentadiene and 1,5-pentadiene hexadiene. So these are the two examples of the isolated dienes. So let's talk about one of the most important class of the dienes. Actually, whenever we talk about the dienes, we do address the conjugated dienes only. So conjugated dienes is that very class of the dienes in which the double bond is separated by a single bond only. They are called the conjugated diene. This is the most important class amongst the dienes, and the name diene itself confines to the conjugated diene only. For example, 1,3-butadiene and 2,4-hexadiene. So thank you for listening to us very patiently, and there will be more videos upcoming over there. Thank you so much. Do subscribe our channel and watch our videos, and please post some comments too. Thank you.